Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I know last time I said I was gonna play Roblox, but I actually changed my mind. We're gonna be playing Hotel.
What are you doing?
We're not gonna make this because I got something else in Hotel. Just kidding, guys. And oh, let me see. Oh, which one is this? Hey, money. You have to eat some music. So sad. I'm gonna go here and make clean. Oh, you pooped. So, I love my background. I love my background. So, as you can see, I got spray bottle flip. And always been with Poe for a bit. Let me see what's up. And that was about it. So, I haven't been playing Battlefield. And yeah, I've been playing Battlefield. Tell me how it went. Comment down. You've seen that, right? Now this is the hard part.
What's the matter? So let me the black chip. I told Jaden to bring it and he didn't bring it. I need help. I need help.
Sorry about that. Don't worry about the background. Dang it. Ask him that.
Can I go? Maybe I'm the only one that's quick.
In War Dragons, there are so many dragons.
Like
Despacito, respira tu fuego despacito. Gold jewelry shining so bright, strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's. Case you didn't know, the small town boy like me.
It's your mother. Pick it up. It's mommy on the phone. Pick it up.
My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. It's your daughter on your phone. I don't really care if you cry.
Your sister is calling.
Christmas today.